On 29th of November, at early hours, Dillai police intensified its checking on vehicles after an intel of peddling illicit drugs was received at Dillai Tri-Junction Road under the jurisdiction of Dillai Police Station. It was reported that, acting upon the specific intel of peddling illicit drugs was received from its sources, a joint search operation was conducted by Dillai Police and 20 CRPF Camp Bokajan. The team was led by Deepak Lahon, SIUB, Dillai Police Station, Jiten Gogoi, ASI. Amidst the search operation, a truck bearing registration number AS01GC 5478 was intercepted upon suspicion of carrying illicit drugs with it. The truck was searched rigorously and recovered 19 packages of suspected opium comprising a total weight of 18 kilograms from their possession. It was informed that the worth of contrabands seized would be approximately Rs 1 crore if sold to an open market. 2 people were arrested in connection to this case. They were identified as Ajay Basnet, 45 years old, resident of Senapati District, Manipur, and Deomon Limbu, 25 years old, resident of Senapati District, Manipur. The contrabands seized were handed over to John Das, SDPO Bokajan, for further investigation. Bijay of this report from Dillai for Contrabands Live.